Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Yeah, happy Thursday, happy 26th. Hope you have taken care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Zia Kala Zia Poroma. Today it is the day we're all waiting for. Is the Ngani's Tembo season 4. It is coming back on Sunday Magic 8 o'clock. So, guys, the Uterelo posted a mini video. As you can see, they are dancing, they are happy, guys. Maybe they were preparing their diary section. One thing about Terrell, guys, when she's dating you, she's dating their whole family, and it seems like if family yakamseleko, guys, if family yasemzombe iyamthanda uTerrell, guys. The one thing about Terrell, she's the girl that she thinks she is. Most of the time, our baby mama, Abu Makodi, they will do the same thing that Terrell she's doing. I guess, and they will use it against you. They will take advantage of you, guys. Lord of Abu Makodi, they will act like Amaka. They will just distance themselves for their own peace, because most of the time, honey, cholo, marriage, people buy a guys. So you need to choose your peace. Imagine you are getting along with the family is turning against you, your husband is cheating, you're just going through a lot as a woman. So it is better for you to distance yourself. At least when he's cheating on you, you know very well that I don't have to report it because they don't like me. So when it comes to Terrell, guys, seems like she's enjoying, she has a good relationship in Omayini, guys. I've seen her spending time nengane zakamayini uTerrell. You know what, she's this type of a woman, siyazi wena skone. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. A 10-minute conversation. What do you think about this? Are you ready to defend your favor, guys? For me now, I'm going with Mnini Owami Mawande and Tando, guys. I'm fully stressing. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Say bye.